रोशनी रोशनी उम्मीद है तामीर दाए रोशनी उम्मीद है
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and good morning everyone. Our today's topic is exchange of gases in plants from unit number 10. The mechanism of gaseous exchange in plants. During the day, plants carry out respiration and photosynthesis. During the night, plants only carry out respiration process. Dear student, during respiration process, plants take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide. During photosynthesis, plants take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen. The gaseous exchange between plants and the environment occurs through the leaves, stems, and roots. Plants uses oxygen during respiration process, so the concentration of oxygen in the cell is lower than the concentration of oxygen in the air spaces between the cells. Therefore, oxygen diffuses from the air spaces into the cell. This causes the concentration of oxygen in the air spaces to be lower than the concentration of oxygen in the atmosphere. As a result, oxygen diffuses from the atmosphere to the air spaces between the cell through the stomata. Stomata are small pores on the leaves of plants. Each stoma consists of a pore surrounded by a pair of guard cells, two guard cells. A guard cell has a thin outer wall and a thick inner wall. A guard cell has a nucleus, vacuole, and chloroplast. The function of guard cell is to control the size of stoma. Now, what is osmosis? Osmosis is the movement of water molecules from a region of higher water concentration to a region of lower water concentration through a semi-permeable membrane. Now, dear students, how does osmosis work in the guard cells? So, during the day, the guard cells carry out photosynthesis and produce glucose. The concentration of glucose in the guard cells increases and water diffuses into the guard cells by the process of osmosis, so the guard cell become turgid, become hard, and curve outwards. The stoma opens, and at night photosynthesis does not occur, so water diffuses out of the guard cell by the process of osmosis, so the guard cell become flaccid, mean soft, and stoma closes. Dear students, in woody stems, the entire mean the whole surface is covered by a bark. Bark means coat of tree or skin of tree. So gaseous exchange cannot occur through bark. The bark contains special pores, and that special pores are called lenticels. And these lenticels special pores allow the gaseous exchange with the environment. And by this way, gaseous exchange take place. Dear students, now here is your assignment. Make at least 10 MCQs from this topic and also write a brief note on it. Stay safe, stay blessed. Best of luck, take care, and Khuda Hafiz.